Dan Moore. I'm Mayor of the City of Franklin, Tennessee. Franklin is a town of almost 65,000 people that over the past 10 years has grown 49%. And with that growth has come challenges for our infrastructure. We're seeing major issues as far as just getting around in our community. Our community is kind of a unique setup in that we have a historic downtown core. And then about a mile away, we have a huge economic generator we call the Cool Springs area. That's where we have over 100 healthcare companies. We have 15 Fortune 500 companies. That's where we have the fourth most Class A office space in Tennessee. So we're starting to study as we see these this massive new projects, business projects coming forward, that we've got to do more than just worry about building a parking lot. We've got to figure out how to move the people around in this business area of our community. We're talking about circulators that are actually going into these developments and picking people up. We're talking about convenience for the people so they don't have to get in their car and drive somewhere at lunch. They can either walk or they can jump on a commuter that goes around the city. Right now about 55%, if I remember correctly, of our bus system in Franklin now takes people to work. About another 25% takes them to the hospital. Many of these people don't have cars. Many of them, some of them have disabilities. Some of them don't have a license. Some of them, for various challenges in their life, can't afford a car. So that's one group of people we're serving now, but we see a whole new face of ridership in our bus system going to occur as we continue to grow and expand, and that is going to be, we have to provide that option, one more option for our citizens. We're in a community that's developed, that has a lot of sprawl. Fortunately, our planning department and our developers now are looking at much more walkable, mixed-use development where transit, where people don't have to get in their cars, where they can walk, where they can ride their bike, where they can use the trails and so on. If we said our goal was to take 10% of the cars off the road tomorrow, we would fail, because we don't have the backup system in force now. I mean, we do have a regional bus, we do have van pools, we have a local bus service, but what we're missing in that as we move forward is we have to have more people that are willing to ride with each other. And I'm not saying every single day, but we have to address that people can ride together at work. So we have to look at a multimodal approach. It's not just light rail, it's not just bus rapid transit, it's not just van pools, it's a whole complex system of choices that we have to put into the system for people to be able to be successful going forward.